My name is Dawn Leah, and I'd like to celebrate a new service we have to the area, bringing in line with Clinical Futures to bring home services nearer to your patients so they haven't got to travel such long distances for outpatients appointments. The new service we have at the moment, we're working with Swansea Morriston Hospital Burns and Plastic, which is a fantastic service, and our patients now haven't got to travel to Swansea for repeat dressings and occupational therapy treatment.
My name's Janine Evans and I'm an occupational therapist based up at the Welsh Centre for Burns in Morriston Hospital in Swansea. It's a long way to travel for many people. We're very aware that we cover a large geographical area, so people are travelling a long way to receive the important specialist treatment they need after having a burn injury. And it can actually take up to 2 years to fully recover from a burn injury. And during that time, patients will require rehabilitation and ongoing scar management. So in order to reduce the travelling times and the expense for patients, we are carrying out outreach clinics in a variety of different settings across South Wales. One of them is within Ysbyty yn Eirin Bevan here in Ebbw Vale, to reduce that need for patients to travel a long way to receive specialist treatment. So ongoing rehabilitation and wound care and scar management can actually be delivered closer to the patient's home within this kind of clinical setting.
My name's Harriet Hall and I live in Gilwern and have been being treated by the Burns unit for almost 18 months now, and that has meant regular visits to Swansea, which takes well over an hour. So being able to come to Ebbw Vale, which is barely half an hour and has easy parking, has made a huge difference, particularly as the treatment to my scar is ongoing. So that, it makes every visit very much easier, much less time consuming.